안녕하세요.
Hello. Today, I will briefly explain the structure of Hangul and how to read it. Hangul is a systematic and scientific writing system that is easy to learn and read. Hangul consists of consonants and vowels. There are 14 basic consonants and 10 basic vowels, which are combined to form syllables. Let's listen to all the consonants in order with native pronunciation.
기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읓, 키읒, 티귿, 피읍, 히읗.
Now, let's take a look at the vowels.
아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이.
The 14 consonants and 10 vowels in Hangul combine to form syllables. For example, girk, ah, combine to make ga. Niun, ah, make na. Diggit, ah, make da. Like English, letters are formed by combining consonants and vowels to create sounds, but there is a difference. In English, words are made by arranging letters, whereas in Hangul, letters are created by combining blocks. Let's look at how Hangul letters are structured. Can you see how they are arranged in blocks? First, every Hangul letter must start with a consonant. Second, a vowel is added to the right, below, or both right and below the consonant. Third, a consonant, known as a botcham, can be added below the vowel. However, not all letters have a botcham. In Hangul, the first consonant and the vowel must always be present, and the botcham may or may not be used. Remember this. The consonants that can be used in the first position are as follows. There are additional consonants beyond the ones we saw earlier. Do you see them? These are double consonants where two consonants are stacked together. These double consonants produce a stronger sound. The vowels that can be used in the second position are as follows. Vowels can be attached to the right or below the consonants, and sometimes they can be used attached to both the right and below at the same time. Additionally, there are diphthongs that are added beyond the basic vowels. The consonants that appear in the last position of number 3 are referred to as botcham. Botcham can be used or omitted, and there are also double botcham that can occur. Do you think this is getting too complicated? However, this is all there is. I will now show you how to match Korean consonants and vowels with the alphabet so that you can read any Korean character. Something has changed, hasn't it? Below the consonants and vowels, there are English pronunciation alphabets. I will now give you a few examples of how to use this. How do you read this character? When looking at this character, the first part is the consonant, biup, which corresponds to the letter, B. The second part is a vowel. It has been noted that vowels can be placed on the right, below, or sometimes both at the same time. In this case, the vowel is placed on the right. If we examine the vowel part, we can see that a corresponds to a. The third part is a consonant botcham, which, as mentioned earlier, can either be present or absent. Here, we can confirm that there is a botcham. We take the p that corresponds to the botcham, biup. When we combine the letters, it is pronounced as bap. Let's listen to it in a native speaker's pronunciation.
밥, 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 밥.
This time, I'll read it as the alphabet.
Bap, 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 bap.
The pronunciation is very similar. Let's try reading it one more time. Shall we read the next character? The first consonant, mium, is identified as m. The second vowel is positioned differently from before, as it is located below. If you look for wu, it corresponds to u. The final consonant, ri-ul, is confirmed as l. When combined, these produce the pronunciation mul. Let's listen to it in a native speaker's pronunciation.
물, 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 물.
This time, I'll read it as the alphabet. Mo, 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 mo. The pronunciation is indeed very similar. Let's work on a slightly difficult character one last time. Shall we find the English spelling and read it? It may seem difficult, but it is the same as before. The consonant, digit, is d. The vowel, a, is a. And the final consonant, ri-ul-gi-uk, is k. Combining these gives the pronunciation, dak. Let's listen to the pronunciation in both native and alphabet forms.
닭, 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 닭.
Dak, 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 dak. How does it sound? While we can't say it's an exact match, it sounds very similar. That kind of pronunciation is enough to talk and communicate. Koreans think that foreigners who can communicate in Korean are amazing. If you improve your speed by matching Hangul with the alphabet, it will be very helpful for you to learn Hangul. You can definitely do well. This concludes the explanation about Hangul. Lastly, it was created by King Sejong and scholars in 1443 and was promulgated in 1446. That's about 581 years ago. This person can be easily seen on the 10,000 won bill. Please remember this. Thank you for watching until the end.
감사합니다.